All right, guys, thanks for checking out Detailing World. And today we're going to go over the microfiber towels that we have here at the store. We do have a few, and they're all have different purposes and uses when you're going to go detail your car. So we're going to start over here on my left, and we have the diamond weave glass towels. So these come in 4-packs and 10-packs. These, if you see, will have like a diamond pattern on these. These towels, because of they're really flat and they're very low pile, they allow you to be able to clean windows very easily. You can kind of push dirt and grime and any of the grease and stuff that's built up on the window right off the window with your glass cleaner. It's very easy to use. So a lot of guys will buy these in the 4-packs. The key thing to remember with glass towels is if you're going to be cleaning windows, try to use 2. One's going to be your dirty towel or your mopping towel. We're going to go and mop up the cleaner. Your second towel is going to be where you're going to come back and actually remove whatever spray you're using, and then keep swapping them out. So if you buy the 4-pack, you may use all 4 on a car or a small sedan or something. Instead of, don't just try to do the whole car with 1 towel. Next, we're going to move on to our drying towels. So right here in the middle, we have our 2 of the ones that we sell. We have the, as we call it, the mother fluffer. This is just a big, fluffy microfiber. So, and we have one of our favorite towels, the DREADNOUGHT drying towel. This is a twist weave drying towel, a little bit bigger. The actual twist weave on this one is almost like looks like a little bit like a bath towel. So it's 1100 GSM, which just means grams per square inch. And these towels are going to be really thick. They kind of almost like act like a sponge where they absorb water really good. If you guys are using drying aids, so if your vehicle is coated and you're spraying your ceramic detailer on, you can spray the detailer on and come over with this to dry it. And you can pretty much do a whole car, SUV, or even like a truck with a towel like this because of just how big and fluffy they are. So this is one of our most popular towels. The mother fluffer is just a different style kind of drying towel. So like I said, it's just a big sewn together microfiber. You can kind of see the seam here as they sewed the 2 microfibers together. And this towel kind of works about the same as this. Between the 2, I prefer the twist weave, but we have guys that love these, so we have both. Next, we're gonna move on to the nice soft Korean microfiber towel. So these are 550 GSM. We have these in 10-packs in the stores, and we have a different color. We have them in gray, and we also have them in like more of a dark kind of brown color. These are gonna be your final wipe down towels if you're gonna be doing any compounding and polishing. These are gonna be super soft towels. You're not gonna worry about scratching anything. There's people that even use this for rinseless washing. They'll throw about 4 or 5 of these in a bucket and use these as your rinseless wash towels because of how soft and fluffy and non-scratching these towels are. So if you guys are working on any really nice cars, you just got finished doing a full paint correction, you're gonna wipe the car down for to do your panel prep before you apply the coating, use something like this. Don't use those real thin towels. This is definitely the towels you guys wanna use if you have a very nice car. Keep these separate from your dirty towels. Wash these every time. This way, the money you spend on these towels will seem worth it because you'll keep these towels for a long time if you take care of them. So the final towel that we sell here is more of our workhorse 300 GSM no edge towel. These are really flat towels. These have because of the lower GSM on these towels, these towels are allowed to kind of grab onto things. So what we use these towels for most of the time is ceramic coating. So this towel, when you're going to go wipe off your coatings after you lay your coating down on the surface and you go to buff the towel off, you go to buff the coating off with this towel, this will allow it to pick up the transfer solution a lot easier. So it's going to pull everything off. The thing with these towels too is after you're done using them with a coating, a lot of guys would just toss them. What I usually do, these become my interior towels because these are nice towels for grabbing and picking stuff up. So don't throw them out when you're done. Wash them right away, and then you can kind of keep using them. But these we have in packs of 10. We also have them in packs of, in colors that we have in blue, and then we can also get them in yellow. All right, guys, thanks for watching the video going over all of our microfiber towels we have here in the store. Make sure you like and subscribe to the video so you get notified as soon as we post a new video so you can start learning how to take care of your car. And remember, no car deserves to be dirty.